The next point, what will we do if we want to sell an additional product that is not in our list, which we cannot select from the list? This issue is resolved through the Products section. In the Products section, we see a complete list of all the products available for sale in our country. If we notice that a particular product is missing, we will use the Request New Product section. Here we need to scan the barcode or product code. The process begins primarily with scanning the barcode. This step can be done either from the application or by opening the web page associated with the Ridy account from a mobile phone or any device with a camera. On all these devices with a camera, there should be the ability to send a new product for review. The code scanning process begins. Here we can switch between available cameras. In this case, I do not have a camera available here. The code can also be entered manually if it cannot be scanned. In the next step, the entire process of submitting the form involves filling in the barcode, product name, and generally all the fields visible here. I recommend my price, description, and dimensions, as well as attaching an image of this product and sending it for review. For example, we can do it now. Price, okay. Description, done. And now we will attach some image. After that, we submit our completed form for approval. The product has been sent, and we see on the product page that our product is now in the pending approval status. Once the product is approved, which usually happens within a few hours up to a maximum of 1 day, the product status here will change to approved, and after that, this product can also be assigned to our device's pockets and sold using our service. If the product is not approved, you will receive an email either with additional clarifications regarding your product or with an explanation of why the product cannot be approved at this time. Currently, these are regulated products such as alcohol, tobacco, any forms of potent drugs, and narcotics. Such products cannot be approved for sale using the Ridy system at the moment. That's all regarding product approval.